Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss the new unit, that is heterocyclic compound, unit number 2. आता हा heterocyclic compound जो unit आहे याच्यामध्ये नंबर ऑफ heterocyclic compound जे आहे त्याच्याबद्दल स्टडी केली आहे. याच्यामध्ये वेगवेगळे प्रकारचे heterocyclic compound आहेत, त्याचा अभ्यास आहे. याच्यामध्ये आता heterocyclic, before going to discuss the heterocyclic, what is homocyclic? Homocyclic compound are those compound in which all the atoms are same in a ring. All the atoms in a ring are same. For example, homocyclic unit number 2. Heterocyclic. Heterocyclic compound. Okay. Heterocyclic compound. Before going to discuss the heterocyclic compound, what is homocyclic? Homocyclic, for example, consider the example of cyclohexane. H2CH2 CH2 CH2 CH2. आता या cyclohexane, this is the structure of cyclohexane. याच्यामध्ये बघा रिंग मध्ये सगळे ॲटम जे ॲटम आहे रिंग मधले हे सगळे ॲटम कसे आहे सारखे आहे, म्हणून या कंपाऊंडला आपण काय म्हणू शकतो, होमोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंड. होमोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंड, दिस इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ सायक्लोहेक्सेन. दुसरं एक्झाम्पल बघा बेंझिन. आपलं बेंझिन CH 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 CH. हां, याच्यामध्ये बघा ह्या बेंझिन मधले जे रिंग मधले ॲटम आहे सगळे कार्बन ॲटम्स काय आहे सारखे आहे. जर एखाद्या रिंग मध्ये सगळे ॲटम सारखे असन तर त्याला काय म्हणतो, होमोसायक्लिक. बेंझिन इज ऑल्सो एक्झाम्पल ऑफ homocyclic compound. Benzene, cyclohexane are the homocyclic because all the atoms in a ring are same. Now we proceed for the heterocyclic compound. आता heterocyclic compound म्हणजे काय? heterocyclic compound म्हणजे काय की असे कंपाऊंड की ज्याच्यामध्ये एखादा हेटेरो ॲटम प्रेझेंट असतो रादर दॅन कार्बन ॲटम. सगळे ॲटम हे सारखे नसतात, एक किंवा एकापेक्षा जास्त हेटेरो ॲटम रिंग मध्ये जर प्रेझेंट असेल रादर दॅन कार्बन ॲटम इज कॉल्ड ॲज हेटेरोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंड. नाउ सी द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ हेटेरोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंड. These heterocyclic compound plays a very important role in our day-to-day life. The chlorophyll pigment which gives the green color to the plants is also heterocyclic. The heme which gives the red coloration to the blood is also heterocyclic. All are constitute the heterocyclic. All maximum carbohydrate compounds, dyes, fats, oils, steroids, they all are constitute as a heterocyclic compound. Maximum number of synthetic drugs, they also a heterocyclic compound. Therefore the heterocyclic compound are the very important from our day to day life. Now आता heterocyclic compound जे आहे याचं आपण क्लासिफिकेशन कसं करू शकतो, तर द कंपाऊंड याचं डेफिनेशन बघून घ्या. एखादा एक्झाम्पल घ्या तुम्ही. ही रिंग आहे बेंझिन रिंग, हे सगळे काय आहे कार्बन ॲटम आणि हा एक मधात काय आहे नायट्रोजन ॲटम. आता हे सगळे कार्बन आणि एक नायट्रोजन म्हणजे वन हेटेरो ॲटम इज प्रेझेंट रादर दॅन कार्बन इन ए रिंग. देअरफॉर द पायरिडिन इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ heterocyclic compound because the nitrogen hetero atom is present. simply the general heteroatom are the nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen containing heterocyclic compound is there. The pyridine is the nitrogen containing heterocyclic compound as a heteroatom. Pyridine, then furan 5 member is also a heterocyclic compound because the furan contains one oxygen as a heteroatom and all are carbon. All carbon are same and one oxygen is different than rather than carbon. Therefore, furan is the example of heterocyclic compound because it contains the oxygen as a heteroatom. There are a number of heterocyclic compounds. Now, how the heterocyclic compound are classified? The heterocyclic compound are classified into three types: a 5-member heterocyclic compound, a 6-member heterocyclic compound, and a condensed heterocyclic compound. Now, see one by one how it is classified. Now, first is a 5-member. Five-member heterocyclic compound. First is the 5-member heterocyclic compound. आता 5-member heterocyclic compound are those heterocyclic compound which contains a 5-member cyclic ring in which the one is heteroatom is present. The example are furan, pyrrole, thiophene, these are the furan, this is a pyrrole, this is a thiophene. Oxazole, isoxazole, This heterocyclic compound contains one heteroatom, but this heterocyclic compound contains the two heteroatom, oxygen and nitrogen. Therefore, these are the example of 5-member heterocyclic compound. Now, which are the 6-member heterocyclic compound and what is 6-member heterocyclic compound? The heterocyclic compound which is present in a 6-member cyclic ring. In 6-member cyclic ring, one heteroatom is present rather than carbon. That is called as 6-member heterocyclic compound. Here, 6-member heterocyclic compound is. We see the example. याचे example बघू आपण. Second, 6-member heterocyclic compound. 6-member heterocyclic compound. याच्यामध्ये पायरिडीन घ्या, पायरिडीन, वन टू डायझिन, 6-member आहे बट 2 हेटेरोएटम आहे. 1,3 डायझिन, 1,3-diazine and 1,4-diazine. These are the 6-member heterocyclic compound because the heteroatom is present in a 6-member ring rather than carbon. One or more heteroatom. Here one heteroatom, here two heteroatom, here also two, 1-2 position, 2 nitrogen at 1-2 position, 2 nitrogen at 1-3 position, 2 nitrogen at 1-4 position. Therefore, it is called as 1,2-diazine. It is 1,3-diazine. It is 1,4-diazine. In this way, the 6-member heterocyclic compound are classified and having a different example. Now, what is condensed heterocyclic compound? आता condensed heterocyclic compound म्हणजे काय? याच्यामध्ये बघा condensed heterocyclic compound. Other condensed heterocyclic compound are those heterocyclic compound in which two rings they are fused with each other. Two rings get fused with each other. Therefore, the heterocyclic compound is called as condensed heterocyclic compound. Condensed heterocyclic. Now see the examples. Condensed here benzopyrrole, here one 6-member and one 5-member ring get fused and the heteroatom present in the 5-member. Therefore, it is the example of condensed because the one this 5-member ring and this 6-member ring get fused. Therefore, it is the example of condensed heterocyclic. Then benzofuran. Benzofuran also the example of condensed heterocyclic compound because this is 6-member ring and this is a 5-member ring. They are fused with each other and one heteroatom, that is the oxygen present in the 5-member cyclic ring. Okay. Then quinoline, isoquinoline. Also quinoline, isoquinoline. These are the example of because these two 6-member ring, here one 6-member and one 6-member and one nitrogen is present at this position. Here 6-member and this 6-member in which one heteroatom present in this 6-member ring. Here one heteroatom present in this. Both 6-member ring they are fused with each other. These are the example of condensed heterocyclic compound. Now, in our syllabus, a very important known compound, that is the study of the molecular orbital structure of the pyrrole, furan, thiophene, pyridine are involved, and the synthesis and reactions of pyridine. Then indole, quinoline, isoquinoline, also their reaction, their synthesis is involved in our syllabus. Now, these are the classification of heterocyclic compound. The heterocyclic compound classified into the 5-member heterocyclic compound, 6-member heterocyclic compound and condensed heterocyclic compound. Now, how the question is asked. Define heterocyclic compound and how it is classified. This is one type of question. Then second, how it is asked. वेगवेगळे प्रकारचे तुम्हाला हेटेरोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंड दिलेले राहील. त्याच्यामध्ये असा क्वेश्चन राहील, क्लासिफाय द हेटेरोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंड इनटू 5 member हेटेरोसायक्लिक, 6 member हेटेरोसायक्लिक अँड कंडेन्स हेटेरोसायक्लिक. किंवा असं विचारलं जाईल, याच्यापैकी हे दिलेलं राहील, याच्यापैकी कोणता हेटेरोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंड हा कंडेन्स हेटेरोसायक्लिक आहे, किंवा त्याचं स्ट्रक्चर दिलेलं राहील किंवा त्याचं नाव दिलेलं राहील. तर हे सगळं महत्त्वाचं आहे तुमचा सिलेबसच्या पॉईंट ऑफ व्ह्यूनं. आणि हेटेरोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंड प्लेज अ व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट रोल फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्रियल, ड्रग्स, मेडिसिनल, फार्मास्युटिकल पॉईंट ऑफ व्ह्यू, बिकॉज द नंबर ऑफ सिंथेटिक ड्रग्स आर द हेटेरोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंड इन्वॉल्व्ड constitute the heterocyclic compound. Number of natural product, they are also heterocyclic one, which is synthesized by the nature. Steroids, morphoids, number of hormone is also there, number of enzymes, they involve the enzymatic reaction involve the heterocyclic compound. तर अशा प्रकारे हे हेटेरोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंडचं तुमच्या डे टू डे लाईफमध्ये खूप महत्त्वाचं रोल आहे, म्हणून तुमच्या सिलेबसमध्ये आहे. तर याचं आता याच्यानंतर मॉलिक्युलर ऑर्बिटल स्ट्रक्चर, पायरॉल, फ्युरॉन, थायोफिन अँड पायरिडिनचं दिलेलं आहे, ते खूप महत्त्वाचं आहे आणि ते आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये घेऊ. ओके, थँक्यू.